If you've been struggling to get subscribers or to drive traffic to your channel, then this app I'm going to be sharing with you is going to make it much more easier for you. And the good thing about this particular app is it is free of charge. I mean, when I saw it, I was like, what? Like, so today I'm going to show you exactly how to use the app, and I'm also going to show you how to now use it to drive traffic and to drive subscribers to your channel, so you don't want to miss out on any part of this video. And if this is your first time meeting me, I'm Glory C, and on this channel I help both small and new content creators to grow on YouTube. I tell you mistakes you want to avoid, and I also tell you tips and strategies that you want to imbibe so you can grow your channel and get monetized fast. So if this sounds like something you want for your own channel, I'll encourage you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Like I would always say, it's free of charge, and do not forget to give me a big thumbs up on this video so it can get to a lot more content creators like you. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to go over to your YouTube page. Remember, everything we are doing here is legit. Okay, so you want to go over to your YouTube page, right? Like you can see me do. Then you go over to where you have your videos. So now the thing is, you can use any of your videos for this, okay, but for the purpose of this, let me just pick any video that I want to use. Okay, so let me pick this one that says YouTube biggest update for 40 times more views. So let me just tap on it and then copy the link of the video. Now you want to now go over to your browser. Here I'm using Chrome browser. Now once you get to your browser, let it just load up. Okay, so now that it has loaded, now that it has loaded up, just go ahead to the search bar and tap on Opus Clips. OPUS Clips. Look at it here, Opus Clips. So just tap on it. So you can see here long videos to shorts, blah blah blah. Now this is the one I prefer to use, this one that says Wayne something something, or you can go ahead to use this particular one here. Okay, whichever one you want to use, just tap on this one that says wayin.ai. You can tap on that particular one. So now what you want to do is to come here and tap on your link, paste your link here. Okay, if you are not signed up, it's going to require you to sign up. I'm actually already signed up to this platform, but it's very easy to sign up. Okay, if you're not signed up, I'm going to show you. If you're not signed up, it's going to bring up something like this. All you just need to do is to tap on continue with Google. So once you tap on it, just allow it to load up, and then you can see that you already pasted the link is already processing there. So all you just need to do is to wait for it. So you can see here it has already brought out that particular video. Now you can see here, one click to grasp moments instantly. Just tap on that particular one. Now this doesn't actually take time to process. You can see here 18%, 21%, 25%. Yeah, can you see? So it's actually very fast when it comes to processing, and once it's done processing, you can now use it. So guys, while it's processing, if you haven't given me a thumbs up yet, or you haven't subscribed, or you haven't even left me a good comment, please, you want to do that now. Okay guys, take note of something I'm going to tell you. Okay, that's the reason I said do not skip out on any part. So one thing you're going to note is why I particularly love this exact site is, you can see here, can you see number one, it has created for us like 10 videos, like 10 short videos. Okay, oh, even more than 10. Can you see 13? It actually created for me like 13 short videos. Now aside, that's not even the best thing. The best part is it's also created for me topics. Aside that, can you see titles, then also description that I can use. Now one thing you want to do is this part, you want to first of all go ahead and copy the title. Do you understand? You want to go ahead and copy the title, copy the description also. Then once you are done with that, you now go ahead, you can give it a thumbs up. You now go ahead, you can then go ahead and tap on download. Let's assume this is the one we want to use. Okay, guys, I want to show you something here. If you skip this particular part, you might not actually like the outcome. Okay, so let me just let it load up. whatever it is that you are using, ensure that it is your own original video that you are using on YouTube. Okay, so now that it has done this, you want to come here and tap this caption that it has generated for you. Don't use their own caption, just come here and on select caption. Can you see where the caption toggle is, the button is? Just tap on it. That means you do not want caption. Guys, don't use caption. Then you now go ahead and tap on this download. Now you can decide to go ahead and tap on this place to turn it to any ratio you want, but I don't want to do that because I don't usually like the ratio it brings out for me. Once you're done with this, just go ahead and tap on export. Okay, so you can see you can export in whatever. Let me export in 1080. They will tell you ensure that the video you use complies with copyright laws. By proceeding, you confirm that the original video is your own content. It's my own content, so I'll just tick and tap on confirm. Then it's preparing to export. Then they are going to also show you where to actually find it. Like this thing is actually going to be exported and like to your own phone itself. Do you understand? So you can see we are processing your moment. We will notify you when it's ready and you can find it in library exported. So what you want to do is to just go ahead and tap on that library exported. So you can just take note of the progress. So if you look here, you can see some of the videos that I already worked on. Do you understand? So let's just allow it this, and it is very fast. You can see it's 2%. It's very, very fast. So it's something that you can do immediately. Okay, and then note that this thing also expires in 3 days. So once you already export like this, you want to quickly go ahead and download to your phone. Okay, so now it has already downloaded. So what you want to do is to just tap on this icon that is here, this down arrow that is here. So you will see downloading file here. Okay, so once it's downloaded, you will see it here. So you can see downloaded. Open up. Once you tap on open, this is it. Now let's assume you downloaded it with caption. Let me shock you. Let me show you what it would have shown you. Can you see? Can you see that it actually blocked my face, and we don't want that? So that's the reason I downloaded without caption. So what you want to now do is to just go over to the YouTube app. Don't worry, we're going to be able to use this as a short and it's going to appear very good. So you can do this. You can decide to now go ahead to your editing app, whether you use CapCut or any other editing app, and then turn over to change the aspect ratio to a short aspect ratio. When you change it to a short aspect ratio, you can then go ahead to put in captions, but I'm not going to go ahead to do all of that. So let me just show you one example of a short that I uploaded that has that caption. Can you see? I just uploaded that short like some minutes ago. So what I want to do is to now come here and tap on shorts. Okay, and then tap on this place and then bring in the shorts, bring in the video. So can you see? Then I can go ahead to tap on done. It's just 37 seconds, so it's actually okay. It's done processing. Just go ahead and tap on the check mark. Can you see? Very easy. So just tap on next. Okay, when you tap on next, you can now come here. Remember I told you to take note of the title. You can now come here and type in the title that they gave you. Then when you upload the video, you also want to come back and put in the description that they gave you. But before then, tap on this pencil icon that is here. Then you can now move this to any part of the video that you feel like, oh, this is very, very captivating. So let me just leave it at this particular part that shows this overlay. Then come here, you can decide to make it public. Then you come to this place that says related video. When you tap on related video, you now move it and go and search for that particular video. This is it here. You just tap on that particular video so that anybody that watches this short would be easily redirected to your long form video and be able to also watch it. And then you come here and tap on paid promotion. No. Altered content. No, because this is not an altered content. But if you know that you're into AI, use AI to actually generate your own content. It's altered. Okay, then you now come here and tap on upload shorts. So once the short is done uploading, you want to now go back to your YouTube studio and then tap on that particular short. Then you are going to see where you can add description. Then you copy the description that particular site gave you, then use that particular description. Remember that your shorts are usually pushed out to a wider audience. Now people who are coming over to your shorts to watch from your shorts would be able to easily watch your long form videos. Now if they are subscribing, remember they are subscribing because of your content, because it's still the same thing you do on your channel. In fact, you got it from one of your long form videos. So if they are staying, know that whatever long form videos you're uploading to, they would also be interested, they will most likely be interested in watching those long form videos. Do you understand? And with that, you'll be able to drive good traffic to your channel. Do you like this or not? Let me know in the comment section. Do you think it's something you'd like to try? Let me also know in the comment section. Do not forget, I take both YouTube and video editing one-on-one coaching sessions. If you need help surrounding that or your AdSense, just chat me up on Instagram. I'm Glorisi on Instagram. Don't forget to watch this particular video where I explained a lot of information that's going to help you as a content creator here on YouTube. So I'll see you either in class or in this video. Until then, bye for now. Mwah.